To the very heart of creation, I will reach. O Mother of Perfection. A devotional poem written by Shri Ananda Krishna. The difficulties of many lifetimes my soul has faced. By your celestial blessings, all my darkness can be erased. You are the supreme enthroned in the seat of all powers. The splendor of your supreme divinity will overwhelm my soul with all its powers. Behind all the forces of nature lies your grace. Darkness of my soul, only you can erase. To the very heart of creation, I will reach. O Mother of Perfection. All my afflictions, by your grace is removed. My cosmic goal, only by you can be approved. You are the annihilator of difficulties for every soul. You are the benevolent protectress that shields my soul. Your forceful and aggressive form, this cosmos has witnessed. By your light, the darkness of this world has been addressed. To the very heart of creation, I will reach. O Mother of Perfection. Your sweet smile shall drive away all my sorrow. Your stainless light, every creature shall borrow. For guidance and protection, I have earnestly invoked your being. Removal of all my perils and dangers, by you I have been seeing. Your blessings of strength and tranquility, every soul will receive. A world free from perils and dangers, I will perceive. To the very heart of creation, I will reach. O Mother of Perfection. The strains of your magical trance, every creature has witnessed. By the aura of your divinity, every soul has been addressed. For the whole cosmos, you are the only source of nourishing. By your compassion, every soul has been flourishing. Before you the whole cosmos bows in deep reverence. To the meek and humble, you show preference. To the very heart of creation, I will reach. O Mother of Perfection. Sometimes, you are merciful and sometimes harsh and severe. Full of compassion is your behavior. You are the bestower of all liberation. You are the supreme abode of all compassion. Your grace and abundance, every soul has tasted. In this darkness, no soul will be wasted. To the very heart of creation, I will reach. O Mother of Perfection. The divine beauty of your three worlds before me has been unfolded. The beauty of your pure perception before every creature has been unfolded. All the hurdles of trial and tribulation I will cross. With a calm demeanor and inner grace, I will face every loss. Your grace will weave its benevolence through all my life's experiences. The ecstasy of your love and triumph shall dominate all my experiences. To the very heart of creation, I will reach. O Mother of Perfection. My soul you have crowned with your power of absolute splendor. Before your supreme consciousness, completely I surrender. Let your grace penetrate my three states of waking, dreaming, and deep slumber. Before the darkness, let me no more surrender. Let me appreciate the kaleidoscope of all my experience. With calm demeanor and inner grace, let me handle all my experience. To the very heart of creation, I will reach, O Mother of Perfection. The process of the transformation of this cosmos is filled with your beauty and enchantment. With the help of your grace, I will bear all the sorrow and resentment. Beyond outer forms, events, and objectives, let my soul rise. With the help of your grace, I will claim the heavenly prize. The magical waters of your island of paradise, my soul has witnessed. By your sheer mystical magic, every soul has been addressed. To the very heart of creation, I will reach, O Mother of Perfection. The flow of your divine nectar will pervade my subtle being. The power of your absolute splendor, for eternity I have been seeing. Into your vast and blissful realms, every soul has been. The profound quest for inner joyousness, every soul has seen. Your spiritual path will guide me to an inner beauty and happiness. You are the only source of all delight and happiness. To the very heart of creation, I will reach, O Mother of Perfection. The nectar of your ancient ocean, my soul has drunk. Into the depth of your cosmic world, my soul has sunk. In your eyes, I can see the brilliant reflection of the three worlds. You are the ruler of all the three worlds. The intense feeling of your great blessings in my soul I can feel. Before your sheer mystical magic, every creature shall kneel. To the very heart of creation, I will reach, O Mother of Perfection. Let the darkest and the purest aspect of my life merge into one. Let the static and the transient aspect of my life merge into one. Dynamic unity of all existence, in you I find. In leading me through the labyrinth of my life's experiences, please be kind. A conscious awareness in my life, you have brought. The purest and the darkest soul, you have sought. To the very heart of creation, I will reach, O Mother of Perfection. A holistic vision of life, you will give. In the darkness, my soul will no more live. Every aspect of my life, you control. All the transient and static event of my life, you control. The pure spirit of your motherhood, the whole cosmos has tasted. In your splendor, loveliness, and eternity, every soul has rested. To the very heart of creation, I will reach, O Mother of Perfection. Yours is the spirit of sheer attractiveness. This dark world, let me face with boldness. Beyond mere sensuality, reaches your beauty par excellence. Beyond any limitations, shines your brilliance. From you, I seek my soul's transformation. From you, I seek resurgence and resurrection. To the very heart of creation, I will reach, O Mother of Perfection.